You got him?
That's a big one.
Keep your pole up high. Keep your pole up high. There you go.
That's a big one, dude.
Oh my God.
I got him. Oh my God. Good shoot.
Keep your pole up. There you go.
Good shoot, dude.
Oh man, you're kicking my butt.
Yeah, I need to have it. Oh, wow.
Oh boy.
Oh, it's moving back.
Oh.
Wow, I need help.
Wow, dude, that's a nice one.
I need help.
Oh,
Really?
dude. He just lost about a 10-pounder. I just seen it right off the bank. Dude, that was a stud. That was about a 10-pound catfish. Man,
You got it all.
he
You
did.
got it, sir.
You did hook my. Hey, you caught a big carp.